When it comes to a high water bill here in Scottsdale, Arizona, I'd like to offer you 2 great tips to save you over $250. All right, guys, so tip number 1, a lot of times we're going on these leak detection calls here in the Scottsdale area, and what we're finding is that the pull fill valve is leaking. And that is the first step that you want to check. So right here is a good visual of one. And a lot of times what you'll find is that they're leaking and you won't even know it, or go ahead and shut off the valve that feeds the pull fill. When you do that, I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is the line that feeds the pull. So we have this off. Once you shut that off, then what you want to do is go to your meter and see if the meter stops. If it is, then you verified that the pull fill is the cause of your water bill. If you shut off the pull fill valve and the meter is still spinning, then you want to go into step number 2, and that is to determine if there's something leaking inside. Now, the first thing you want to do is go through toilets and bathrooms, make sure that nothing is obviously running. Once you roll that out, come to the outside, get yourself a gauge. This is about $6. Put it on the hose bib that is feeding the house. So this is the water going into the home. Then shut the main water off to the house. And if there's another valve that's feeding the sprinkler system, you want to shut that off as well. So I've got the sprinkler shut off. Now I'm isolating the house, shut that off. Now you want to turn the water on. If you come a little closer, you could see the needle is stopping at a certain point. Now, if you see this needle start to drop, then you know you've got a leak inside the home. All right, folks, so those are 2 great tips that you can do as a homeowner to prevent spending $250 to $300 on a leak detection company here in Scottsdale. Now, for example, if you did that test and found that it's the pull fill valve that's leaking, all you have to do is call your pull company to come out and replace that. That typically ranges anywhere from $150 to $350 depending on the accessibility. Well, hopefully this helped. As always, thanks for watching.